Hello everyone, and welcome back to the English Playground. Today we are focusing on those delicious and nutritious things, fruits. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping you learn English in a fun and easy way.
Watch, listen, speak, read, write.
Let's start. Fruits name.
Watch, listen, speak. Apple. This is an apple. Banana. This is a banana. Custard apple. This is a custard apple. Grapes. This is a grapes. Guava. This is a guava. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Mango. This is a mango. Melon. This is a melon. Orange. This is a orange. Plum. This is a plum. Peach. This is a peach. Lychee. This is a lychee. Pear. This is a pear. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Raspberry. This is a raspberry. Sapodilla. This is a sapodilla. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Strawberry. This is a strawberry.
Lesson review. Now, let's test your memory.
Apple. Banana. Custard apple. Grapes. Guava. Kiwi. Mango. Melon. Orange. Plum. Peach. Lychee. Pear. Pineapple. Raspberry. Sapodilla. Watermelon. Strawberry.
We are here to help you learn English in a complete way. Don't forget to check out our other videos. Subscribe the English Playground. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.